Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Begin by measuring ingredients precisely. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoons salt go into a bowl and get whisked together. In a separate large bowl, cream 1 cup unsalted butter with 3/4 cup packed brown sugar and 1/2 cup granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Then add 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon vanilla and beat until combined. Prepare 8 crushed graham cracker sheets, 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips, and 8 mini marshmallows ready to add. Combine the dry flour mixture into the creamed butter and sugar in 2 additions, mixing gently to avoid overworking the dough. Finish by folding in 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. Use a 2-tablespoon scoop for uniform cookies, then press 1 mini marshmallow and about 1 tablespoon crushed graham cracker into the center of each dough ball so they nestle in. Place on parchment-lined sheet pans and bake in a 350 degrees F oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Until edges are golden and centers. When the cookies come out of the oven, immediately place a small graham cracker square on top of each warm cookie and press gently so the marshmallow stays snug and the chocolate melts slightly into the cracker. For a toasted finish, place cookies under the broiler for 10 to 20 seconds, watching every second to prevent burning, or use a kitchen torch for a few quick passes. Cool cookies on racks for 10 minutes before serving, then store in an airtight container up to 3 days or freeze up to 1 month.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.